Hi everybody, welcome to my INCA. Here is Zeljka, Croatian psychic and tarot card reader in Vancouver, BC. Again, so we're gonna be doing love reading with those cards, Love and Tarot, for this month of September 2022. This video is for Sagittarius. Let's see what Sagittarius can expect this month in regards to love, relationship, partnership, romance, and things like that. So we're gonna shuffle cards first. Yod, hey, Vav, hey. Yod, hey, Vav, hey. Yod, hey, Vav, hey. Yod, hey, Vav, hey. So, then we're gonna see what is foundation for your relationship for this month, my dear Sagittarius. Your foundation for this month is, let's see what is gonna be, is Prince of Coins. So this is your foundation. Then we're gonna find the card. What is your partner's card? Your card for this month for your partner is gonna be, let's see, please for a card. It's Four of Cups. Four of Cups for your partner. And for you, this month for you is Nine of Cups. Your connection with your partner for this month, your relationship, your home or your connection with your partner for this month, or spouse or lovers or friends, is gonna be, let's see what card is gonna be giving us a clue what is your connection with your partner for this month, what's gonna be looking like. Mostly this is a general reading. It's magic. So maybe Sagittarius, those are your cards for this reading for the month of September 2022 by my INCA Oracle. As we can see, your foundation for this month is Prince of Coins. You can expect that this month is gonna be really worked on your real thing in your life, like it's not going to be like just emotional stuff. You're going to be working on heart level in regards to your relationship. There is starting to be stability in your relationship, stability, and yeah, beginning some great connection with your partner. Working on your relationship, building your relationship, building that stability in your partnership. How is your partner is doing, and what is his card is going to tell us this Four of Cups. Your partner is, however, is not very satisfied with your relationship. He's disappointed. There is something missing for your partner. There is something. The mind is wandering somewhere. It's not really connected. It's not really there 100%. It's there is something that your partner thinking of somebody or something, wishing something, wanting to change something, wanting to have different thing in life. It's not satisfied. Your partner is not satisfied with your relationship this month. You yourself, you have Ten of Cups, and that is you're gonna be feeling your energy coming like happiness and yeah, success, happiness. Gonna be really into emotional state that you're gonna be feeling happy and luck and connecting with people and with everybody else. So you're gonna be into with everything around you. So as per this card, Ten of Cups, this is love and luck and happiness. Yeah. Your connection with your partner is this card, the Magic, and that means there is working between you and your partner. There is energy of beginning, new beginning. It's as we can say, it's your magic. Yeah. Romance, magic. working on your relationship, starting to change this your partner is not satisfied. This is starting point to change this, to work on your relationship, and it's gonna be connecting you. You're gonna be connected with your partner through the magic, through the maybe some what you have in common, something what you have in common with your partner. Doing something together, working on something, connecting through this card. Yeah, going on. So your partner is gonna be changing this month. This energy for cups will be changing. So let's see, clarifying this energy of 4 cups. So this is wisdom. So instead of this being unsatisfied and not feeling great about your relationship with your partner, you're gonna have this is gonna be changing to wisdom, changing this energy into wisdom card to work with magician, with magic, and performing great things, doing great stuff. So this month for you guys, as you can see, you are starting to build relationship on that level, like emotional stuff that your partner was feeling, and disappointment is going to be kind of getting blowing out. This energy is going to be removed and replaced with wisdom. You gonna feel happy and luck this month, and you're gonna be working with your partner with your relationship, connecting together through the magic card, your magician. So this is gonna be your reading for this month, my dear Sagittarius. If you like my reading, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to see you next month again. Bye for now. Love you guys.